Do you want to feel and look your best no matter your age? Do you want to learn how to age gracefully and help others do the same without taking shortcuts and quick fixes that can potentially harm your health and deform your face? Would you like to finally learn how your face actually ages and what else besides the aging per se affects the wrinkles on your face? Did you know that your emotions, your mindset, your character, and even balance of your internal organs dictate how your face is going to look like and where the wrinkles on your face are going to be? Once you learn what your face is trying to tell you, you are going to understand how to start working on it in order to not only reduce wrinkles, but also how to get your mind, emotions, face, and body back to balance. Because only when all these are balanced, you are able to feel and look your best and glow from the inside out. So if you are ready to hop on this journey of rediscovering and reinventing yourself, this is your chance right now. On October 1st, 2023, we at Glowinface are starting with the new online, internationally accredited Face Yoga teacher training program, and you can join us now. The only prerequisite to join us is completed beginners program, but this teacher training is for you who wants to build a thriving business, for you who wants to add face yoga into your existing business and attract new clients, and for you who just wants to learn all about the face, about face yoga and face reading for yourself, and then see where the path takes you. Now, if you ask me back then when I started in 2014, if I would ever imagine myself standing right here talking about face yoga, teaching face yoga all over the world, owning my own brand, company, and even a studio, I would be laughing at you, because I decided to try face yoga and to join the teacher training program just because I wanted to heal and help myself. Back then, I was dealing with severe burnout, and my only goal was to find a technique that would help me get my energy and balance back. And this is what face yoga gave me. After seeing and feeling the results on myself, I felt the urge to start sharing this so potent technique on. And this is where we are at right now. So I just wanted to quickly share my story with you to show you that you don't need to have everything sorted out and planned out yet to join this teacher training program. The only thing you have to have is the desire to learn more and this inner feeling that this is the right thing for you. Everything else comes after, because it is new experience and learnings that is going to show you your new path. And now let's talk about the training and what you get if you join us. There are at least 4 points that make our face yoga teacher training program stand out from any other. The first point is the learnings of traditional Chinese medicine, 5-element theory, and face reading. This is the only teacher training program where you are going to learn how your emotions and balance in your internal organs affect your face and how all of it can create wrinkles on your face. You are also going to learn how to, with that knowledge, reduce wrinkles in the best way possible. Secondly, this is the only face yoga teacher training program where you have the exclusive possibility to learn directly from a medical doctor, dentist specialized in TMJ and Bruxism. Dr. Matej Kulish is going to be teaching about facial anatomy and function and about TMD problems. For you as a face yoga teacher, this knowledge is crucial because it gives you understanding of how and why are we actually doing certain face yoga exercises and which exercises are good for some people and which exercises are not. Also, nowadays, more than 80% of people deals with TMD problems. This means clenching and grinding with their teeth, feeling a lot of tension in the area of masticatory muscles, having headaches and migraines. And so it is crucial for you as a face yoga expert to understand what TMD problems are and how to address them to help your clients out in the best way possible. Another advantage of our Glowinface Face Yoga teacher training program is that we are also giving you the possibility to work online live with me. We are having 6 online live sessions and 4 pre-filmed self-paced sessions. But in these online live sessions, you are able to work directly with me, ask me questions, and I'm able to make sure you do all the exercises in the best way possible. But then the fourth thing is that you don't have to worry if you are not able to join our sessions online live, because every single session is being recorded and we give you all the recordings of the whole program for a lifetime, as well as all the written materials. This means that you don't have to worry about forgetting super important, information about face exercises and facial anatomy, because my goal and our goal is to give you all the knowledge and to help you to become the best quality face yoga teacher, because this is what the world needs right now. There are unfortunately too many over-the-night face yoga teachers that are throwing a bad light on this so potent technique. So it is your responsibility towards yourself and towards others to first find a good quality face yoga teacher training program and to learn all the knowledge by heart. And this is how you are going to succeed as a face yoga teacher. Learn more about our upcoming online face yoga teacher training with international accreditation on our website at glowinface.com. And if you have any other questions, please do write us an email to support@glowinface.com. I hope to see you on October 1st, 2023.